So only nweta this video. Ma like it meto maka na share button. Share this video. Ka Mathias we nweta ozi ya na chizie n'ụtụtụ a. First of all, I want to make it clear for benefit of doubt that the said admin of Zion USA, Nifemelie, has nothing to do with Zion ministry affairs, but rather something that happened elsewhere in a village here after the program. It has nothing to do with Zion affair. For those who are speculating that now because of Zego Zion or no force, and I will bring the full detail of that update to you. Just hold on, sit back and relax. But point eventually Jeona, Mathias delu a write-up ebe ona kowa na the guy Jelu see all the way from America, but Nigeria, we go bala at the end of 100 days crusade. And then a crusade there ebuchi nwa honwuru no kwa ya fugo a prove ahụ na-ekwu na Jesus Christ is the powerless, that Jesus Christ cannot save anybody. So therefore, na because na the guy biashala eba that it is a confirmation that Jesus Christ or church cannot save anybody. Mathias, you are right. But first of all, ma like Keka dua ya nyanife buru your personal advisor wulangu, your PA wulangu, up till today. Onye eka zoshiziye, you did not even go wa ema na mbaya that guy na area ho. Ni yejo opportunity ha tiye ka people wetu ta ego, and then mbo nwuru na ya like equity ye ka iwe nweta sympathy ka people tutakwara ego. But izoru yezo sie yike, and even after I follow out, you still refuse to say anything about your PA wulangu. Now, this is what I want to say about all that your PA. Nguwu, Chief Medical Director, CMD, that Cell Hospital Apudo. Nguwu CMD, Nayut, Nnamdi Azikiwe University Teaching Hospital. Nguwu the doctors of all doctors. If you man a medicine, go share a degree in Harvard. Now, with all those degrees, with all those things, as far as medicine is concerned, you still did not save your PA with all that knowledge. You still did not save your PA with all those knowledge. People now, ordinaka nweke kande mmadu to konachala ego iwe kporo ordinaka nweke we ji India the beginning of your financial liberation. We lu India ordinaka nweke one India every single day ka people na na teaching hospital, including my mom, on a teaching hospital kono wenu na 2012. People na na hospitals. People say for fodun dog will go as fly with private jet to the best hospital anywhere in this world. Still hand up eba ho. Now question in Chorejo Mathias na only feel na because na admin Zion USA branch after the program that it is a confirmation that Jesus Christ is the powerful. All these things ain't go say now or discourage you from still seeking medical assistance. Yes, and you should be able to answer. All ordinaka nweke na India or discourage you ko ditara go no nwekwa onye ozo nwelu need na yebueje India. Iwe the finances or where the opportunity to rally the money around. Will it stop you from you live to India? One, your PA, Riagidola, they are just for a strange illness. Madam Hafe will go today. Emma Casey Akowa, if any lead to kidney failure, kidney inga, this one, if any now. But till today, the mystery do behind all your PA. To hid him till today. All those knowledge could not save him. Does it mean that because of one that you have given up on Western medicine? Does it mean that you have given up that hospital that was effective? Now, despite the fact that we have we have lost people. I lose good people. Both both even in the best hospitals in the whole world. I lose good people. You still have faith and trust. So why do you think that somebody or me being a Christian that I will give up because na admin Zion after the program? Now let me tell you something you need to know. The fact that now in many or in some instances that foreign medicine may fail, local one may fail, human effort may fail. Who something goes no mulunye kalele carry any human effort and any reality you are talking about. And that reality free no put in anyway. Because no one will determine reality here before them and you. You don't have control over it. Even if you have hundreds of billions of dollars, it can still fail you na honoria. Yes, unless no chineke no go na ya do. Ndị ba eji wesi na eji ha arịa ka anwụ. Ọhụ onye rịa karịrị ka a na-asị na ọnwụọ na onwe eri onye agha arịa before you know it ọnwụọ. Ịghọtago ndị ọgaranya nwesha private doctors na ada abịa na their mansions abịa treat ife nwere ike mee ihe ebiri na-eju na ọgwụ before you know it will give you up. Even with all the financial muscles ngwa Mathias you take you 50 years iji wee ruru, they can fly in foreign experts. People now want to say Nicholas Lagos. Mathias, you cannot afford to sleep in one bed one night na St. Nicholas na Lagos. I'm able to zoom them want to stay in St. Nicholas. What it shows is that beyond this medical expert and medical findings or whatever, can dictate in a yado. So if you feel that na because na crusade. Now let me even tell you another part of this Christianity you don't know. Another part of it is not all about the miracles you will get. It's not part of. It's not all about the physical gains you will get. It is also all about making sure that now your soul is saved when it comes to that time of eternity. So you are not even thinking about maybe maybe you have to go destined. Now that event you take his life maybe for a lesson, because something can happen for something to also happen. Something can happen for something to also happen. For example, if you in a Bible na dey je woto for the ife do na Bible na Jesus Christ as no nya wokpala Chineke that even na ye no n'eluigwe mana ede to go no ya bia nwo we pay the price for us to be safe. And the morals in and Bible is that no will many people that we go for them to pave way or for them to sacrifice something for solution or for something to happen. You don't know. There are some lessons that need something tragedy to happen before that lesson can be learned. Maybe obviously, maybe to save the rest of the people. So no ebo una Chineke ano n'eluigwe okpala ewe nwa n'ụwa okwusinwuhe egotago okwusinwuhe because no ma na-enwele journey ahụ continue to somewhere the positive egotago. So I don't know what makes you to think that na mmadụ nwụnahụzie or na mmadụ nwụnahụ onye na-eje ụka no go say that Jesus Christ is powerless. So you Mathias ị na-eji akwamozu steady. And most of all those people who na hospital ward na mortuary, and yet we have not given up on hospitals today. We have not given up on our qualified doctors. I will, but you want me to give up, or you want me not to go to crusade again because na admin America biashari nwo obolo ezu obolo ezu ịghọtago nwancha ego abala akaụntụ gị jikọta Highland na agba na eko eko. Although even the greatest of all people, presidents, powerful people all over the world, beyond what they can do physically, now their capacity, no will determine if a mother will he came anywhere. No will mother. If a mother will he came it was only ufike yasena emuhamed spirituality to this world. So also fake. So also fake away this world is just physical. A moral forces and spirituality do behind this world. So also fake away go. So continue compare if you have not given up taking people to hospital, even though na people na one hospital, you have no reason to tell me to give up on this God simple because no you onye na joker or a believer. That is all I'm talking about. But for people, stay calm. I'm going to give you a full update of what actually happened to the said admin. But it has nothing to do with the Zion ministry or its affairs. And it did not even happen within the Zion ministry premises. Also, it happened. Family, village, community affairs. Ezugu here.